Graha Pratana is a very auspicious puja which we are performing for all home seekers. In today's world, if you see, a lot of people today they are buying homes. There's a lot of dream within them, and there's a lot of aspirations. But if you see, they may have some kind of an obstacle while buying the home. I mean to say, when I say an obstacle, it could be financial, it could be getting the right location, or getting it at the right price, or the kind of community what they were looking for, they may not get it. So there are a lot of things which come in the way of buying a home. So what we are trying to do through this puja is remove all those obstacles, whatever may be the obstacles. It could be because of vastu, or it could be because of any other reasons what I have stated just before, so that all the obstacles are removed, and they actually get into buying this home, so that their wish of buying a home becomes true, so that their dream is fulfilled. That's what we want to do through this Graha Pratana. So that's the whole objective of doing this auspicious puja. Planned a series of puja starting from Ganapati Puja to Navagraha Puja to Vastu Puja to Kubera Puja and to Bhagya Sukta. So these are the different pujas which we want to perform, which covers all the aspects, so as to remove any kind of obstacle for any kind of aspirant who is looking for buying a home. As I was mentioning to you earlier, this is a very auspicious puja. First of all, it gives it spreads a lot of positivity, lot of positive energy. People get into by attending this particular puja, and the main objective is we as Mark Properties as a brand, we do this puja and pray with the home seekers, so that their wish becomes fulfilled. That's the whole idea of doing this puja. So this puja, the venue is at the Mark Properties Shop at Ashok Nagar, which is on the 100 feet road next to the Pallava Hospital, and the timing starts from 7 a.m. It goes on till about 3 p.m. for the convenience of customers and to avoid rush. What we have done is we are doing this puja every hour, so that when people come in, they are not put at any kind of an hardship. Hourly slots are prepared so that people can come in, attend the puja, and then they can move out very smoothly. That's the whole idea and the plan what we have at the back of our mind. See, brand shopping is a very unique concept, first of its kind concept in real estate category. Here basically what we try and do is we sell an experience. When customers come in, they tend to get a lot of information at our shop through touch screens, through virtual walkthroughs, through models what we have, and also through a very consultative sales approach. We try and understand what is the need of the customer, what is he looking for, what is he or she, what is he actually looking for, and then we give a solution to them. So because we have a range of homes, from affordable homes to ultra luxury villas, to suit everybody's budget. So when they walk in, we first understand what is their need, what is their budget, what is the kind of home they are looking for, what are the specifications they are looking for, and then suggest a suitable house. That's what we do through this shop, more through consultative approach and through the right experience. So never before there is a brand shopping like this anywhere, where people can actually come and see. They can actually the unique thing what we have done is they can get, for an existing customer, they could get the project updates. Any kind of project updates they could get for the existing customers. They could come in and then they can interact with our kiosk. It's a very interactive system where they can actually get all the details of the existing their project updates. That facility we give them, and for all the new customers, as I was telling you, we give them the right experience and take them through the consultative selling mode. That's what we try and do through the shopping.